What about this machine on the table now? Send it over. Earlier, we tested at the same time. It is normal to press the button to charge. Remove this screen from it first. Okay. And after you take it apart, now we start to put the vibration and that battery. How about this? Take it down. After the battery is removed, like this, then take this vibration off for it too. The rest is, there are more peripheral screws on the main board. We give it all to you one by one. Okay, let's put the chassis again. Then take this candy and we remove it. Then there are 3 screws on the back, we share the same. After taking it off, remove the row and break off. We can put it on the main board. Take it out. Alright. Let's put this main board aside. Customer without account. It can be paired and used directly. Put it on him. Cross and cross will lock him back. That's it. Okay, now all the screws will lock the net. Test the Melody Touch display. No problem, make it waterproof and send it back.